Hey guys, I'm teacher Omar. Welcome to my classroom. In this video, we'll continue to describe people with more detail, say how old we are, and pick up some tips along the way. Let's begin. This is a man. He has sunglasses. These are men. They have beards. This is a woman. She doesn't have curly hair. These are women. They don't have short hair. This is a boy. He is a child. This is a girl. She is a child. These are children. They don't have beards. This is a person. He has short hair and a beard. These are people. They have black hair. This is a short woman. She has red hair. This is a tall man. He has black hair. We want to say how old we and other people are. So let's practice with some numbers. We've worked with numbers from 0 to 10 in a previous video. Let's review quickly from 11 to 99, starting with 11 to 19. Numbers are really easy. Let's focus on a few that follow different rules. 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. The rest are simply the number plus the word teen at the end. 16, 17, 18, and 19. Let's review numbers from 20 to 90 in multiples of 10. We have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. And to count from 20 to 99, we just follow the numerical order. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now we can count up to 99 if we wish. 21, 32, 43, 54, 65, 76, 87, 98, and 99. This woman is young. She is 22 years old. This woman is old. She is 75 years old. This is the woman. She is the wife. These are old women. They are the wives. Let's move on to questions. Focus, because later on you will ask the questions. Is this a man or a woman? This is a man. Are these women or children? These are children. How old is this man? This man is 29 years old, or this man is 29. When talking about our age, it's more common to give this short answer. Let's practice. How old are these boys? These boys are 9. Who is 34 years old? Is it Mike? Is it Larry? Is it Lisa? Mike is 34. Who is 52 years old? Is it Mike? Is it Larry? Is it Lisa? Larry is 52. What does she look like? This woman is short. She has long, straight black hair and glasses. What do they look like? They have curly brown hair, and blue eyes. These are old people. Ask the question. Are they old or young people? Lisa is 10 years old. You ask the question. Who is 10 years old? Larry is 52 years old. Ask the question. Is 52 years old? When we want to know someone's description, we ask with, what does he, she, they look like? We don't answer, they look like tall, she looks like young. No, we say they are tall, she is young. Let's practice. This man is tall, he has a beard and a hat. You ask the question. What does this man look like? This woman has long, curly, red hair and blue eyes. You ask the question. What does this woman look like? This is all we've got for today. We hope you enjoyed it and were able to pick up on new information to help you with your English. If you find value in this type of content, please share, like, and subscribe. This will help other people also wanting to improve their level of English find these videos. Don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts at Classes with Omar. Bye for now.